Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to measure out ingredients by weight. I have a very inexpensive scale here, less than $20. Down here it says 0. On many scales you'll see that it says tare, and that's actually the correct terminology for this type of scale. We'll turn the scale on, place our bowl, and then reset by pressing this button. Now that it's back at 0, we can add in whatever ingredient that we wish to measure. I'm going to pour in some chocolate. Wait a second, and there we have exactly 100 grams. And that is how easy it is to measure ingredients by weight. So let's do one more example. So we'll place a different bowl onto the scale. We will reset it to 0. We will tare our little scale. And now we'll add in some chocolate. $23. You give the scale a couple of seconds to calibrate. And 25. And there we go. Exactly 25 grams of chocolate. And that there is how easy it is to measure out ingredients by weight. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for this really fast tutorial, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.